Hi guys, I know you're going to be loving this recipe today. Please share my video as I'm going to show you how to make this simple recipe using your yams, and these are my ingredients I'm going to be using for these recipes today. Let's go guys. On this recipe, we are going to be doing what is called yamarita. So in this recipe also, you're going to be needing your yam. So you guys, you're going to be cutting your yam like this, after which you're going to cut it to your desired sizes, then wash it and boil on fire. Then I go ahead to also marinate my fish because I'm going to be using fish sauce to eat this yam. Once your yam is soft, make sure you drain the water also. Because I'm making this sauce in form of stew, I have to use this tomato paste, and I need to fry that very well so that it can dry before I go in with my fresh tomatoes. At this point, we are going to be covering the pot and allow that to cook as we go ahead to prepare our yamarita. In this recipe, I'm going to be using some eggs and I'm going to be using flour. So for you to use flour for this recipe, you have to marinate this flour using your spices, any spices that you like. For me, I'm going to be using garlic powder, salt, and some chili peppers. I have to put salt also in my egg. This is just to get a nice taste of it. So after which you're going to be needing your yam here, then you go ahead to put your oil, then you watch what I'm doing and make sure you follow up the same way.